Welcome to Programming ABC. Now I will show how to write variables in Python. X equal 5, y equal 10, name equal Programming ABC, print x plus y, print name. Variable generally integer, string, boolean, this type of variable. 5 x plus y, 15, print name, Programming ABC. Now we will know what type of variable I use. Right here, type, using type function, type x, class int integer variable x, type y, this also integer variable, type name, it is a string variable. By using type we can see or know about variable type. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel.